I had an investor, actually a good friend of mine. It was a beach house, a single family beach house that came on the market around 1.5 million. It was over 3,000 square foot. And when it came on the market, I was like, if we don't buy this, we're gonna have 10 offers on it. And I was like, if you buy basically, I didn't want the competition. So I was like, we better put an offer in
Yeah.
right away. But I said, if you buy this in a year, it'll be worth $1 million more, which actually I felt like it was way underpriced. I don't know if it appreciated $1 million in a year. It was just a matter of it was underpriced.
Yeah.
But it'll be worth 2.5 next year. And so he jumped on it. It was a crazy deal. We ended up closing in like a week, less than a week. It was, I don't think I slept for 3 days. But we secured the deal. A year and 3 months later, I put it back on the market for 2.5, around there. I think it was like 2.45. We got a full asking price.
Oh, wow.
During the coming soon status. So
Wow.
it had signed unseen.
Nice.
And so in that example, that investor had, I mean, obviously there's closing costs and things like that, but they had $1 million gain. So in the tax bracket that they were in, they were going to have to pay, and everybody's tax bracket is different. If you're married, single, whatever, there's rules, talk to your accountant. But he was going to pay 15 or 20% capital gains tax on that $1 million gain.
Yeah.
So we're talking like $150,000, $200,000.
Right.
Okay. So what he decided to do is do a 1031. It was held with that intermediator in an escrow account. And basically, he identified another property. It has to be a similar property. It can't be a property that he's going to live as a primary residence. It
Right.
has to be an investment, something similar cost. You know, you can't sell a $2.5 million beach house and then invest in a $300,000 beach house. The numbers just don't work that
Right.
way. And so he reinvested. He bought a $3 million beach house and avoiding the capital gains there. And it's just a way to build that wealth through real estate. And
Really?
savvy investors will continue to do this over and over again. As long as you don't sell and as long as you reinvest, you're not paying those gains.
Yeah.